Hello, and welcome to another update video on silver. So on the silver chart, we are now we're currently testing, or we did actually test this resistance area there. We're still on the pathway here for a potential 1-2 setup here. Yeah, you might remember here this move to the upside is a 5-wave move. The move up from the July low. Yeah, what I'm tracking here. I mean, it's a possible 1-2 setup that's forming here. And it's entirely possible that a wave 4 already completed in July, right? So I keep the door open for higher prices because of that 5-wave pattern. We can't ignore that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what we are now tracking is an ABC structure down after a 5-wave move up, because technically speaking, you know, after a 5-wave move up, we normally would track a corrective pullback because 5 waves indicate the trend direction. So that would indicate we are watching for a correction. We do have also from that high there in August a micro 5-wave move down, which I'm labeling wave A. The bounce appears to be a B wave. I mean, it could be complete, but that B wave can technically extend a little higher. I have at this point no evidence that wave B has topped, because I have no 1-2 setup to the downside. There is not enough downside momentum to really suggest that the C wave to the downside has actually started. If a C wave down starts from here, it should normally reach the same length as the A wave, and that's around $37.22. I mean, it has done what it needs to do, right? After this 5-wave decline, the B wave has formed a 3-wave move up, labeled ABC. Of course, that C wave might get another high. Impossible to say, really. We're already on a very small wave degree and time frame. What I can tell you is that the market has fulfilled all requirements for that B wave, best I can tell. The resistance area, yeah, is between $38.16 and $38.63. And I'm watching for lower because of that 5-wave move down that we've seen here from the swing high in August. So 5 down, 3 up indicates at least watch for a C wave decline, potentially to follow there. That means it could be a C wave down that's going to follow, and it should normally reach the 100% Fibonacci extension. Yeah, an A wave and a C wave, they tend to have the same length, and that could take us to $37.20 roughly. Yeah. So watching for that. The C wave can certainly go a little lower, but the price should ideally, to keep the overall blue scenario alive, this overall potentially bullish perspective here, we can stay, we can keep that alive as long as we're holding above $36.71. So I think this is very close anyway, this blue zone to that level. But what we are watching for, immediately basically is to see, can we get a 1-2 setup down or so, because this C wave down should turn into 5 waves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what I'm tracking here at the moment to the downside. This is all too small, right? So we have obviously some structural support there around these previous swing lows, around $37.80 and then $37.66. But most likely these should be taken out. And then, yeah, let's see if downside momentum increases. I keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out our channel membership. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.